Hey, what's up guys, it's LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to bring you guys another reaction video. And yes, I know I've disappeared again because I've been busy with my other stuff. I was at work and doing my acapella channel. So I'm back again. Alright, for this video, we're going to be reacting to a YTP called Yurp. And I'm assuming this is a reference to the Pixar film Up, which I haven't seen in a while. But I heard this was a really popular video, and somebody did request me this, but I don't know the name off the top of my head, and I don't want to check right now. So, let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's skip to the end.
Jolly. Hi, Gingy. Yurp.
Hey, morning, Mr. Fredrickson. Need any help?
Oh.
I believe I made my position clear. No. I believe you're coming. Nice hit. I'll take that as a baby. Tell your boss he's dead. Yes, you. Here, let me talk.
Beatbox beats.
Here, let me. No, you don't. I am not him. Tell your boss he can have my dead.
What? I heard LLP.
Good afternoon. You may notice I am elderly.
What?
Are you in need of any chocolate?
You just say.
Chocolate?
Yes, sir. With
Chocolate?
I knew it.
Chocolate! Chocolate!
Good afternoon. Are you dead?
No, but you will be.
Oh, that hurt.
Like a public minister. My elbow hurts.
Let's go.
Would be nice.
Hello, darling.
That's Tyler from Jungle Book. Hey Blue. What's up? Snipe? No, that's Blue.
I found Charles once.
There's no such thing as a Charles once. Any last words, Fredrickson? Oh, yeah. Adventures out there. That doesn't even rhyme.
No. Yeah, it does.
Stupid kid.
Plankton.
Hey, look. It's this fish.
What? What are you talking about? There's nothing there.
Oh.
Ooh, I thought you were the dog.
What? Whatever.
Okay. Oh.
What is going on? Open the door.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Demon lava.
Please let me in.
Come on, boy.
Please let me in.
LLP.
Save me.
You are ruining my house. Good morning, Mr. Fred. I didn't ask for any of this. That's Charles Books.
Turn away Charles the Fox.
This is all a misunderstanding. Wait, are you Charles Books? Yeah, well, adventures, a cup of sugar. It's really him. Now you must be tired. Hungry?
Uh-huh.
Well, attention, everyone. These people on dinner.
One room.
My dog's made a mistake. These people are no longer dinners. They are our lunch. I'm sorry about the dogs. Oh dear, broken translator. There you go.
Prepare to die.
There you go.
I'm in such a good mood.
I like this other voice.
game.
The following explorers will graduate to elderly explorers for extreme explorers. Congratulations. For assisting Maurice.
Maurice?
For following me. Congratulations, Russell.
Come on into the bushes.
At your service!
Russell, no!
I would like to know the highest honor I can bestow.
Soda.
Dumb.
You're going to jail, Martin. This is chocolate.
No.
Because chocolate is there's more for you.
I don't want it. Get off my roof.
Yeah, get off of his. Get off of his.
Random comment. Every single grain of rice. Wise words from a wise man. Thanks a lot. See you later.
Okay, there's like
You
a few
should
seconds
try
left.
this,
Oh,
Mr. Fredrickson.
Long live the
Scar? Oh. Okay, that was Yurp, the Up movie. Actually, it's really interesting. I do have to say, thanks to whoever requested me to react to this. And if you guys want me to see more reactions like this, just hit that subscribe button, like, share the video, and I'll see you guys next time. It's LightningDude42 signing off.